With all the global conflicts and economic uncertainties, investing in precious metals and commodities has become a popular choice. Gold and silver prices have skyrocketed, making them a bit out of reach for many. But don't worry, we have yet another opportunity that's gaining momentum. The world is on a turning point. With climate change becoming a hot topic, renewable energy and sustainable living themes are gaining flavor on the D Street. But in all of this, there is one commodity that is the backbone of this entire theme. Electric vehicles, solar panels, and wind turbines all need a conductor of electricity for efficient energy transmission. While gold is the best conductor, it's not affordable for mass use. That's where copper comes in. Copper is essential for achieving net zero emissions. Renewable energy technologies rely heavily on copper for transmitting and distributing electricity. Electric vehicles also need copper for motors, inverters, and wiring. So, as the world moves towards cleaner energy, copper's importance continues to grow. But here's the challenge. Meeting the rising demand for copper is not easy. Recycling helps, but it's not enough. We still rely on primary mining, which faces obstacles like declining ore grades and environmental concerns. On the other hand, the lack of new mines and depleting existing ones are adding to the supply squeeze. The Cobre Panama mine, one of the largest copper mines, is at risk of closure, removing around 4 million metric tons from the world's annual supply. This shortage could have a significant impact. Basic economics tells us that when demand is high and supply is decreasing, prices go up. So what's next for copper? To meet the ambitious net zero targets by 2050, we might need twice as much copper. Governments and businesses are investing heavily in clean technologies that depend on copper. Given the current situation, it's clear that the demand-supply gap for copper will persist. As the world shifts to renewable energy and electric vehicles, copper's role will only become more critical. So how can you invest in copper? One option is to buy futures contracts and roll them over upon expiration, or you can invest indirectly by purchasing shares in companies involved in the copper production like Hindustan Copper. According to the charts, the recent global correction has also impacted the commodity markets. Copper prices are currently highly oversold on weekly charts, indicating that a recovery is imminent. Any weekly close above 775 levels is an excellent opportunity to enter the market. If you do not wish to trade in the MCX markets due to their high volatility, you can always invest in Hindustan Copper. Their charts are incredibly similar. That's all from our side. Remember, always do your research before investing and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our upcoming content.